Good evening from London. Britain's inflation rate rose to 2.5% in June, the highest level in 3 years and far exceeding economists' expectations. The increase has piled the pressure on the Bank of England to reassess its loose monetary policy and historically low interest rates. The Office for National Statistics revealed that prices of food, second-hand vehicles and motor fuel have all contributed towards the upward trend. Yesterday, the US annual inflation rate came in at a 13-year high of 5.4%. Central bankers across the world are hoping that the sharp spike in inflation is due to temporary factors relating to pent-up demand and supply chain pressures. The Singapore economy rebounded 14.3% in Q2. This is the strongest economic growth in 11 years. According to the data released by the Ministry of Trade and Industry, the key manufacturing sector expanded 18.5% and the services industries grew 9.8% year on year. The Southeast Asian economy is still grappling with its worst economic slump on record. A year ago, due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Its vaccination program, however, is one of the world's best. More than 70% of its population have received at least one dose of COVID-19 vaccine, and over 41% have been fully inoculated. GDP still remains 0.9% below its pre-pandemic size. Food delivery startup Zamato is seeking to raise $1.3 billion ahead of an initial public offering in Mumbai later this week. If successful, the float would be India's biggest public offering this year. Shares will be priced between 72 and 76 rupees, which could potentially see the company valued at almost $8 billion. Zamato was founded in 2008 and has a team of more than 5,000 employees and a reach across more than 10,000 cities across the world. The firm made headlines when it acquired Uber Eats in India. As part of the deal, California-based Uber has a 10% stake in the firm. Apple will partner with Goldman Sachs to launch a buy now, pay later service through Apple Pay called Apple Pay Later. Users will need to be approved via an application submitted through the iPhone's Wallet app, where they will also be able to manage their payments. The tech giant has an estimated 50 million Apple Pay users and 6.5 million Apple cardholders. Currently, people with Apple's credit card can buy an iPhone in 24 monthly installments, with the payments being bundled into the minimum credit card payment inside the Wallet app. Buy now, pay later stocks, such as Affirm, dropped more than 10% following the announcement. Those are your main stories from London at close of business.